Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you Roblox not launching on Windows 11. So I'm going to show you some methods in case that your Roblox is not launching. First you have to go to Roblox status if everything here is okay, or if not, then what you're going to do is to wait. The second method is to restart your computer. After that, you have to open your Roblox and see if everything is okay, and if not, then the third method here is to simply open your Roblox, or you have to search for your Roblox and then run this as administrator. Look for Roblox or Roblox player, and then look for run as administrator, and then it will launch your Roblox. But if after doing this method it didn't fix everything, then the fourth method here is you have to uninstall your Roblox. You just have to search add or remove programs. And then after that, you have to search for Roblox here. You can scroll down and look for Roblox, but it's easier to go to the search bar and then type Roblox and then click this three dots and then uninstall. Then after that, you have to go to your Google web browser or any browser and then type a Roblox download and then download or reinstall your Roblox again. Okay. So now if after doing this still your Roblox is not launching properly or not launching on your Windows, the very last thing to do or the very last method here is you have to type run and then type person symbol, app data person symbol. After that, you have to go to app data, go to local, and then look for Roblox. After that, you have to look for versions. Okay, so let me look for Roblox here and then go to versions. And you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Roblox. So look for the latest version here and then launch your Roblox application or game. I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.